warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I wish you will in this pandemic. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Cantika Millenia from the High School of Healthy General Ahmad in Cimahi. Majoring in midwifery, I will share how to use hand sanitizer. 1. Place a drop in the palm of your hand. 2. Rub the hands together. 3. Rub back of the palm and between fingers. 4. Rub until both hands are dry for 100% safety. 'Let's stop coronavirus and the world. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.